Hi! Today I want to show you this fantastic new issue of Coloring Heaven magazine. And you already can see that the artist of this issue is famous Kanoko Egusa, who created Rhapsody in the Forest and Minuet de Bonheur. Kanoko is one of my favorite artists, and I think that I would cover even the cover of this beautiful magazine. I also like this very interesting feature that they added on the cover. Now we have a color chart. We can add our favorite color combos here. So inside we have 40 beautiful pages to color, and 30 of them are fragments from the Minuet de Bonheur Rhapsody in the Forest, and 10 pictures are completely new, created specially for Coloring Haven, and I think that it's absolutely great. I like that we have some space between the binding and the picture, it's easier to color. As usual, Kanoko Egusa pictures are so detailed and so sweet and cute. I absolutely love this dog. This issue of Coloring Heaven was so popular that I'm afraid that it's already out of stock, but I sincerely hope that Coloring Heaven will resolve this problem and maybe they printed additional copies. I do believe that Kanoko Egusa pictures are suitable for all colors, even for beginners. Even if sometimes beginners are a little bit intimidated to color her pictures because they are very detailed and they have a lot of animals and you have to study how to color fur. And this magazine is a nice opportunity to practice, not spending a fortune of money for Japanese edition. And they really like additional bonus of 10 completely new pictures. I was so happy to see that the March issue will be dedicated to cats and it will have even more pages, 48, from different artists. I believe it also will be very popular and very quickly out of stock. In my opinion, issues of Coloring Haven magazine became more and more beautiful with each issue. I will leave you a link to the website of the publisher. If you're from Europe, you can get a monthly subscription. Thanks for watching. And don't miss my recently edited video where I started another picture from Kanoko Egusa. It's called At the Beach. Bye!